pay homage to the Buddha. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato sama sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato sama sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato sama sambuddhassa. So today we come to the conclusion about Hina Panita Rupa. So before we go to conclusion, about the conclusion, there is one sentence. Ewa eta neta ekata to vipakene wa prisesadi di oditapan. In this way, eta aneta must be, yeah, we can say, must be distinguished by only vipaka. So this is the main part here. But tadawapananeta nahitimanyo olokitabo. The Buddha continue here. Tadawapanenati here. Idam wajdi. Idam wajdi rupa panidam. After that, the Buddha conclude. Tadawapana rupa upadaya rupa. Hina panida datapa. So the compare this is that matter. Hina panida should be understood here. So this sentence, how Athakta said this sentence, Athakta said tatawa panati eta. It the sentence tatawapana. Na hetimanyo olokitabo. The below method should not be looked at, no, should not be considered. That means the former method is that the method of tatawapana is different. These two methods are different. So this method, what kind of methods? Let's see. Nahi Bhagawa Samudhi Manapa Vedadi. The Buddha does not break Samudhi Manapa. Yes, Samudhi Manapa, not Vedadi. The Buddha does not break Samudhi Manapa. That means the Buddha does not deny Samudhi Manapa. Pogala Manapa Pana Vedadi. The Buddha breaks Pogala Manapa. So here we need to know two kinds of manapa. Samudhi manapa, Pogala manapa. So if you read the Pali, you will see there. So manapa, amanapa. See? Here, hina, amanapa. For the panida, you have manapa. Amanapa means aneta. Manapa means eta. Actually, eta is manapa. To make our mind please. Amanapa, that is aneta matter that makes our mind are pleasant, are happy. Are pleasant, are happy. We can say manapa rupa refers to panida rupa or eta rupa. That makes our mind pleased. That makes our mind happy. So here we have manapa, amanapa. Instead of eta, aneta, the meditator used the word manapa and amanapa in this case. But we have discussed the word eta and aneta instead of manapa, amanapa. But here you see manapa, the manapa, here about manapa, samuti manapa, pogala manapa, two kinds of manapa. What are these? The manapa here. So I make a code here. So two method. You see, I give you here two method. Yeah. Up to ida wajati rupa banida. So the first paragraph, ida wajati hina banida. But there is no conclusion like a data wapana in the case of hina. Where the Buddha come to the banida. So ida wajati banida rupa. Up to that. Up to that, this method given below. Hitimania, we call hitimania. So the hitimania referred to the matters that is distinguished by approach beings or by karma result. By approach beings, by karma result. But just now, we see the conclusion. Eta neta ekada vipaka newa prechajari. Eta neta are to be distinguished by means of vipaka only, we say. But in the case of manapa, amanapa, not only vipaka, but also approach beings. So here the below method. But when the Buddha comes to the conclusion, he concludes, Tanta wapana rupa upadaya upadaya rupa hina panita tataban. This is the upri method, we say. Below below a apa. So below me referred to up to this, referred to below. Upri method, we say here upper method because it comes later. Not the method that comes first is below method. Hitimania. So the method that comes later is upper, upri method, upper method, upri method. Upri method here by means of comparison is clear by 8 words. Upadayu padaya. Compare this and that. Compare it. Compare upadayu padaya. By compare one with another. So this here I translate here by comparison, the two methods. So let's go back. Let's go back here. Samudi manapa, Bogla manapa. What is Samudi manapa? If you go to Samuni manapa here. Samuni manapa the mulatika here. A mulatika hitimanaya. What is hitimanaya? Majimaka satta satya wasena. Vipaka satya wasena. By means of the approach beings and by means of vipaka. What would it classify? Aramna, the classified aramna by means of these two reasons. Take it there. Tesa satana, the former method, the Buddha, the Buddha is founded. Ida wajati rupa, panita rupa up to that. That is hitimaniya. Hitimaniya, this method classifies the desirable object by means of a person and by means of vipaka here. Majimaka satta satya wasena, vipaka satya wasena. So two reasons. This is Samuni Manapa. What is Samuni Manapa? That is Hitimaniya. Samuni Manapa. Majimaka satta sa vipaka satya wasena. Samadhan wawatita manapa. So the desirable matters which is classified by means of upright person and by means of vipaka. This matter is called Samuni Manapa. Samuni Manapa, Nahi Bhagava Samuni Manapa Vedadi. The Buddha, Nahi Bhagava Samuni Manapa Vedadi. The Buddha does not break Samuni Manapa. Pogla Manapa Bedidi, he breaks Pogla Manapa. He breaks Pogla Manapa. So here, what's this? What should we put there? No, cannot. Okay. Yeah, that's better. Well, Tapana Sabawinewa Wawatita Apetita Pa Apetita Powa Na Petita Diti Adebayo. Here the Adebaya here referred to Atakta Chariya. The commentator does not breathe this one. Samuni Manapa because because it is its nature, you know, it is in nature. It is classified by its nature. It cannot be, cannot be broken here. Cannot be broken. That means cannot be denied. Cannot be denied. Samuni Manapa cannot be denied. What is Pogla Manapa? Sanya Wipala Sena ne Rayika Dipi Nirika Dihipi Pokalehi Manapa Dikihita Pogla Manapa. Pogla Manapa here refers to the matter, the ceremony matter, which is grasped by Sanya Wipalasa, or which is taken by Sanya Wipalasa as Hina Epanida. Yeah, Nirika Dihipi Pogalehi. So Nirika, the beings in the hell, considered or regards the object as desirable. That means they regard a desirable object as desirable objects because of Sanya Vipalasa. Sometimes they regard desirable object as a desirable object because of Sanya Vipalasa. This matter is called Pogala Manapa. Pogala Manapa please by the individuals due to Sanya Vipalasa. Yeah, Sanya Vipalasana. So Tata Wapanati Adina Vedidi. So in order to break, in order to deny Bogla Manapa, the Buddha continues to say Tata Wapana Rupa Upadaya Upadaya Hina Panidadi Tatapan. So the Buddha continued to say so. That means among the two Manapa, Pogala Manapa, what? Samuni Manapa, Pogala Manapa. The Buddha denies Pogala Manapa. Yeah. Pogala Manapa denies. The pleasant matter defined by the perversion of perception. That pleasant matter, but not always pleasant. It may be unpleasant. This matter, Pogala Manapa, but by means of because of perversion of perception, he may regard this matter as pleasant, even though it is unpleasant. So here, pleasant matter here, not really pleasant one. It may be pleasant or it may not be pleasant, or it may be unpleasant. So among the two Manapa here, the Buddha denies only Pogala Manapa. He does not deny Samuni Manapa. Yeah. He does not deny Samuni Manapa. That's why he said Tata Wapana Rupa Upadaya Upadaya Hina Panita Tatapan. He said this one. So you may refer to the translation books, paragraph number 46. Dispel our delusion. Dispeller delusion, you can see there. Tatawapana. Here, the above method should be disagreeable, disregarded. Here, he used the above method. But compare this, that become above method, according to English usage. But if Pali usage, we don't say above method, we say below method. You know, the usage is different. Pali uses.
Sarah, actually, when I read that part, I'm a little bit confused because Hitima and Hitima in English, but in Bali, Hitima actually means below, right?
Below, yes.
But when they come to English, it becomes above.
Yes, because you see the above sentences, the above sentences, ida wajidi panida rupa, that is above. Tatawapana, that is below. According to the English, above is below. But according to the Pali, it's not like that. That is below. The coming one, the coming one must be above. You see, the coming, the something that will come later. That will come later. Yes, it is upri, above.
But Sarah, when we recite the middle, when we say Hitimaya desire. So in that case, we do not regard as above, no?
Yes, we don't regard above. We regard below one. This is Pali usage. The different uses. Pali usage, something that have been or something that happened, as we said below. Below, yeah, hitima. The one that will come later, we call upri. This is Pali usage. How we say upri maya disaya, hitimaya disa. This the direction. This is direction. Regarding with direction, we say upri upri maya disaya, hitimaya disaya. We say, but this is not the concern with direction here. This is not concerned with direction. So the one that has been finished is called below. The one that comes later is called upri. But it's different with the English usage here. So when you see the above method here, you have to say the below method. Okay.
I see. Okay.
The below method should be disregarded, should not be regarded. The below method. Let's say the below method. But when you speak English, you have to speak according to the English usage. So according to English, you have to say the above method. According to us, we say the below method. For the Blessed One is not dealing with the compassionate pleasure, manapa, samuti manapa. The Buddha is not dealing with the compassionate pleasing. That means the Buddha does not deny samuti manapa, but he is dealing with the pleasure of the person. But he agrees, he denies pogla manapa. That's why, therefore, inferiority is superiority should be understood by comparison of this is that. So the samuti manapa is there. Here, this method is different from samuti manapa. So the Buddha does not deny samuti manapa. He still agrees with samuti manapa, but he use another ways here. The classifying hina panida, he used another way. So we can say two ways, two methods. So the above method, a below method, or you can say below method, above method. Anyway, for the materiality of the dwellers in hell is called a period at the lower extremity. The hell, materiality have very, very inferior one. So compare with that, among animals, there are Naga is Supana is called superior. Naga. Actually, Naga is very powerful animals. Naga. They can assume their body as human beings at another form. So Supana also very, very powerful bird. So, but Supana is more powerful than Naga. Naga Draga, a Chinese legend, is a Draga, very powerful one. So this Naga. Naga is Supana. Compared to Nirya, a beings, the matter is the beings. The matter of Naga is Supanas are better, are superior. So compare with that, their materiality is inferior. That means materiality is the help. Compare with that, beta's materiality is called superior. Beta. So you can this one. You can have. So here this paragraph. So you carry Pali, you can compare with the Pali to be familiar with the Pali, you can compare with the Pali later. So beta materiality is called superior. So beta, we say beta life is low. We do not like beta life. Betas are around us, we say. Beta has different form according to their karma. So Supana or Naga. So we may say Nagas are very powerful. So they have their own, you see, the emperor, you see, Naga. Supana also, they have very, very great the life. But beta, we say beta. Here, beta, not the beta around us, not the low beta here. We say Vimanika beta. Vimanika beta, those betas live, you see, in the upper area, those beta. They do not live together with the human beings. They live far from human beings. So at night, they join. At daytime, they suffer. Those beta, they are just like the divine beings, The beta, the lady betas are very beautiful. So very the charming. If you go, you see, if you see the lady beta, you will attract to the lady beta, so you forget everything. That's why the lady beta also does not show their appearance, their body. If they show their body, the human being will attach to them. We have many stories in Myanmar, many stories. So many people attached to those beta. Then they got mad. You see, they got mad after seeing the appearance of beta. So those beta appearance or the matter of those beta is superior to Naga Supana. There is a period compared with that. The materiality of countryman is called superior. But countryman, but the people in Myanmar, they regard Vimanika beta, you see, better than them, because those betas, we have here the guardian, of the treasure, Osa South, we say in Myanmar, Osa South, the guardian of the treasure. So they are really powerful. But compare their life, you see, to be considered very nice, because they are very beautiful. The ladies are very beautiful. The men are also very beautiful. If you see them once, then you will attach to them. So you will not forget. You think about them, you see, every day, then you go mad. Many people go mad like this way. But compared to human beings, countryside people, like we are countryside people. We are countryside people. Compared to us, their matter is superior. Our matter is superior. So we don't need to be afraid of those beings, actually, because we are more powerful than those beings. But human beings still scare those beings, you know. Beta, we afraid of the beta very much. Many people are afraid of the beta very much. How much they are scared, you know. If someone died in their house, they are scared very much. According to Buddhism, one who dies, you see, can be reborn in any place among the five. They could be reborn in India, they could be reborn in Dirachana, they could be reborn in Beta world, they could be reborn in human world, they could be reborn in Deva, a Brahma world. But we human beings stay afraid of that. Someone dying, we do not know where he is now. But we think they are around us. Then we are afraid of that. We scare. Actually, according to this, we don't need to be scared. The beta is lower than us. To be beta, that is because of agusala karma. To be human being, because of agusala karma. That's why we don't need to be scared. The beta. Here, the beta, this beta referred to Vimanika beta. Now, Vimanika beta, the matter of Vimanika beta compared to our matters is superior. Our matter is superior. Countryman. So there is a period compared with that village. Headman's materiality is called superior. I don't know, you know, the headman, nowadays the headmans are not great people, you know, in the countryside. You can see the great men. They are not, you see, they are not learned, they are not educated, you know, they are very poor, but they become headman of the village, headman of the yard. So this Atagatha is not to be acceptable, you know. How do you think? You see, the headman of the yard, he is full. He is not educated.
I think, Sarah, maybe the time is different. You say during that time, only those people whose morality or who was educated or maybe who has the reputation, they can be the headman. So other rural people cannot.
Yes, I like this opinion. Yes, it should be like that. The ancient time, only the good person, the virtuous, the good, the educated, the kind person to be appointed as headman, I think. Is it? If so, their matter must be better than the others. Yes. But nowadays it's not correct because the headman, you can see the headman, they are very stupid. You know, they are very fool. They are very rude, you know. When they are talking to the people are very rude because they depend on their power. They think they have a power. They can do everything. So nowadays the headman cannot be said. The matter of the headman is better than the matter of the others. Because the other peoples are very virtuous, the other peoples are very educated, so their appearance looks also very nice, very pleasant, very good looking. But those people, those elements are not good looking. So according to the this, we need to consider the person, you know, even he is headman. So he cannot be his, even he is headman, he cannot, his matter cannot be superior compared to other person. So we need to consider the good person only. The good person, the budget person, the educated person. Only this person to be designed here as headman. This headman, yes, their maturity is superior compared to others. Then there also is a period compared with that the maturity of rulers of a country is called superior. The ruler of the country, so compare this one, the ruler of the country, before we say samada, so appointed man. What kind of man was appointed in the past? In the past, very good person, very intelligent person, very visual person. Only such kind of person the people appoint as the leader before. But later, not like that. If you are, you see, even you are full, if you are powerful, if you have power, you can be the leader of the country. So in this case, we need to know by ourselves. No, we should not follow all opinions of the commentator here. Commentator may refer to the good person only, I think, but he did not mention whether what kind of person is that. So even he did not mention, we have to know by ourselves. Now those person must be a good person only, must be better than the others. So such kind of person. For example, the two educated person, what is virtuous, what is not virtuous. So the virtuous person must be superior than the virtuous person. So in this case, we need to understand. Then the ruler of the country, like now the ruler of the country, like in Myanmar, Myanmar online. So the America, Biden, China, Xi Jinping, those persons are the rulers of the country. Then compared to monarch's materiality, term-winning monarch's materiality, the ruler, the material of the ruler of the country is superior. That is a period. A period that is superior. A period compared with the divine deities, maturity is called superior. So we have Earth deity, tree deity, as kind deities. Compared to those, the matter of human beings is superior. Their matter is superior. So you go to Jadu Marajika, Tawadesa, Tusita Yama, Namaradipra Nimina Wasawati, Rama Ward. So compare to each other. So the upper words of the beings matter must be superior. So the lower words of all the beings matter must be inferior. In this way, the Hina Panida also classified. So we classify Hina Panida two ways. One way by a person and by karma result. The other way by compare one with another. So two ways Hina Panidas are classified. So we have
so Sarah,
here
Upada Yupadaya. So that means compare with each other, right?
Yes. So Tata Wapana, we have Tata Wapana. Compare this is that. Compare this one with another.
Because
Upada.
upadaya itself is
Mm.
means compare with. So now we have upada, upadaya. So that means compare with
True.
each other, right?
Yes, yeah, we can say like that. Compare this with that. Compare this one, compare that one. So upadaya. Compare this one, compare that one. Compare with. So compare, so two words, you see, combined together there.
And Sarah, another part is in there when we talk about the Bhuma Devas in that part. You see, in other part we use desang, but there they use dasa. Dasa bihinang. Tang upadaya Bhuma Deva Rupa Panita Nama. Why they use the singular form? They do not use the plural form.
Singular form here, it is a singular form because it refers to only one thing. You can use plural form also. But here we make it together, you see. All the matter of the devas make it together into one.
Because in the following, like the Jadu Maharaj are in there, so if they use the Desam Bihina, the others are Lord, right?
Maybe many. Many here, not many, maybe like that.
Yes.
So we go to Mulatika. What does Mulatika say? Mulatika Hetimaneyo, Mulatika say Hetimaneyo. Yeah, Hetimaneyo, just like I told you just now. Yeah. Hetimaneyo, Machimaka Satasa, Upagawasina Wawatita Aramna Kedawa. So we have already here. Vimaniga Peta Rupampi. No. Vimaniga Peta Rupampi. This one. Kusla Kamachata Kama Karanadi Toka Votu Pawa Tojam no Sarupa Tohina. So what is here Vimanika Peda. Vimanika Peda Rupa. Because human being consider Vimanika Peda as superior, as desirable, better than human beings, Vimanika Peda. But they have Kama Karanadi Dukha Vatu Bhavato. They have a dukkha compared to human beings, you know. At night they enjoy to a pleasure, at daytime they suffer extremely, you know, the Vimanika Peda. So we have many stories about Vimanika Peda in Myanmar. In Malamya we have Uzina Phaya. Uzina, that is the name of the hermit, Uzina. The pagoda makes by Uzina, we call Uzina Phaya. That Uzina, where he was a human being, he was a businessman. One day he made the business, he traveled in the water. So because of the storm, his boat broke into pieces. He arrived in an island, small island, but he saw his former wife dying before. But he saw his former wife there. So former wife also still remember him, still love him. He was sick there. He stayed together with his wife. All the ladies there with Manika Pedas are very beautiful, very, very beautiful. All of them are very beautiful. Only women there, no men. So when he arrived there, so he was keeping a lot of people. So he stayed with his wife there, and I enjoyed his pleasure. But daytime in the morning, all the women gather. Say, okay, let's go, let's go. They all go together. But his wife, former wife, told him not to follow them. So he did not follow them. So all the women left the place there. Long time later, he had doubt, he suspicious those women. Why these women every day they go away? So the one day he followed them by hiding, I don't know how to say. Follow them, not let the women know. So he saw, all the women when they arrived there, all the women were eaten by the big dogs. So were beaten, and with the big dogs there. And there are many big dogs. The women are crying out, have a lot. He saw that one. Later, he ran away, he find out the way how to escape from those women. Even though at night time he's the sexual pleasure, his feeling is not good. That's why he want to escape from there. He tried to escape. After he came back to human world, to the Molamyai, he became hermit. He practiced Dhamma as a hermit. And he built one pagoda there. That pagoda is called the Uzina Pagoda, Uzina Phaya. That means when Manika Peda, they still have tortured. They are tortured. Because of that, their appearance, their matter is inferior compared to human beings. This is the this is the explanation given by the Mulatika Seya. So we go to Olarika Sukuma. Olarika Rupana. Actually, not Olarika Sukuma, this one. The last pair, you see, Dura is Sandika. So Amadi, we had these 5 fires and there. Atita Nagda Pajupana, 1 fire. Ajadika Bhaida, 2 fire. Atita Nagda Pajupana, Ajada Bhaida, 2 fire. Olarika Sukuma, 3 fire. Hinam Panida, 4 fire. Now we come to the last pair, Dura Sandika. So Dura Sandika, if you go to the Pali, you will see there Dura Sandika. Yeah. Tata Kadama Rupa Dure Etendriya Pe Kablikaro Aharo Yawa Pananya Pi Ati Rupa Azane Anupa Kate Dure Asadike Idawajri Rupa Dure. So here Dura Rupa. So Etendriya Peala Kablikaro Aharo. So what is Peala there? Who can discover those? So Etendriya, who can discover? So issue Peala here because in the Masagani, it has been mentioned in the Masagani. That's why here to make the books, you see, smaller. So this Vibhaga, the not all are recorded, only the some recorded, because it has been recorded in the Masagani. So Etendriya Kabikaro Aharo, please. Etendriya, what is the other matter? Here there are 15 here. 30 matters are missing. So we had to find out those 30 matters. Please. Etendriya, Purisendriya, Jivudendriya, Akasa Dadu, Abodadu, Kaya Wunyadi, Wachi Wunyadi, Rupasa Luhuda, Rupasa Mududa, Rupasa Kamanyada, Rupasa Upajio, Rupasa Sandadi, Rupasa Jarada, Rupasa Anechada, and Kablikaro Aharo. A Abhidhamana Sankha, you may have Etendriya, Purisendriya, Jivudendriya, Jivudendriya, Kablikaro Aharo, you may have. But you still have Haryawatu there. Haryawatu, Kablikaro Aharo. The order, Abhidhamana Sankha, the order here not the same. But Abhidhamana Sankha, Nibbana and Anibbana. So Nibbana Rupa, Anibbana Rupa. It is described Nibbana Rupa, Anibbana Rupa. That's why we have those and we have Kapigara Hara. But here, now the Dura is Sandikas are classified. That's why should be Dura and Nibbana Rupa. You have Etendriya, Purisendriya, Jivudendriya, Kabikara, Aharo, Abodadu. Only 5 are Nibbana Rupa. The other 10 are not Nibbana Rupa. That's why here, Anibbana Rupas are 10 here. 5 Nibbana Rupa, 10 Anibbana Rupa. But you need to know Etendriya, Purisendriya, Jivudendriya, then Akasa Dhatu, Abodadu. Then you have Kaya Wunyati, Waji Wunyati. Then you have Rupasa Dhuta, Rupasa Muduta, Rupasa Kamanyata. Then you have Rupasa Rupasa Sadidi, Rupasa Upajio, Rupasa Sasadi, Rupasa Charata, Rupasa Anejata, and Kabikaro Aharo. Altogether 50 rupa. Remember this 50 rupa. So Yawa Pananyapi. These 50 rupas are called Dure Rupa. There are also the other Rupa. Asa, Anasane, not near, not close. Anupakate, not, how to say, not close. Dure, far. Asakidin, Asadige, not near. So there are 2 kinds here. You have up to Kablikaro Haro, 1 kind. You have Yawapana Pananyapi Rupa. There are another Rupas. You have 2 kinds here where you classify Dura Rupa.
So
Sadika Rupa.
So I'm sorry, but then in the Payala of the
Payala, yes.
Of the Dure. Yeah. So in the Payala we have to add the Purisendriya, Jivudendriya, Kaya Winyati, Wachi Winyati, Akasa Dhatu, right? Rupasa Luhuta.
The order Akasa Dhatu, Abodadu. Then Kaya Winyati, Wachi Winyati. But anyway, but I say according to Pali.
So we have to add the Abodadu right after the Akasa Dhatu, you know?
Yes.
Okay.
Akasa Dhatu, Abodadu.
I see. But then and then according to this classification in the Dhammasangani and I mean Vibhanga here, we have to omit the Haryawatu, right? So, you know?
Yes, no Haryawatu here. Abhidhamma, there is no Haryawatu.
Okay.
Pali, Abhidhamma Pali. Dhammasangani also there is no Haryawatu. Vibhanga also Haryawatu is not mentioned. So you have only 15. It says no 16. Yeah. 50 Dura Rupa.
Yes.
So you get the Piyala here, no?
Yeah.
Tedata Kadama Rupa, Sadika Rupa. You have Piyala also here. Chakhayarana to Potapayarana. So you have Chakhayarana, Sodayarana, Kanayarana, Jiva, Kandayarana, Rasayarana. No, sorry. Chakhayarana, Sodayarana, Kanayarana, Jiwayarana, Kayayarana. Then you have Rupayarana, Sadayarana, Kandayarana, Rasayarana, Puttapayarana. Altogether you have 10. You have 10 Sadika Rupa, 50 Olarika Dura Rupa. So you have 25. 25 altogether. You have 25 rupa here. That's why when you come to Dhammasangani, Atha Salini, you will see 25 rupa. In the beginning of this book also, the Atthakatha, you see here, Paja Visri Rupa Kotaza, now 25 rupa. So you get this 25 here. Here you have how many? 15. Here you have 10. Altogether you have 25. So at the Sadika Rupa you have Yayawapananyabi. There are the other matter also, which is Niya, the Niya matter. So what are the difference with these? Atthakatha will explain you. So we go to Atthakatha. Dura Sadika Nidhi say here. Dura Sadika Nidhi say Etendriya Dini Hita Vipatanewa. So Kusane Etendriya it has been described below, or it has been described above, you can say. Yeah, below or above. How about translation?
We can say before.
Yeah.
I mean, instead of
Above.
saying, yeah, we can say
Yes.
before. Before.
Yeah, yes. More suitable that word. Yes. Before. It has been classified before. So where a Dhammasangani, Atha Salini, Imasame Pana here. Imasame Pana. Here, Panatuke is this pair. Dobrikhatena Lakana Dopati Vijataya Sukhumarupa. The Sukhumarupa Dobrikhatena, which is hard to penetrate. Yeah. Sukhumarupa is spoken of as part because it is difficult. A penetrating a characteristic is the sense of being difficult. So it is difficult to penetrate. That's why it is called Anipana-rupa. When we contemplate all the rupa, we contemplate all Nipana-rupa. We do not contemplate all Anipana-rupa because it's very difficult for the normal person to contemplate on Anipana-rupa. Here, the Sukkuma Rupa included Anipana Rupa, some of the Tukuma Rupa, not all. A gross materiality is spoken of near. That is all Alarika. So two here, two reasons. Dobrika Tena, Lakana Dobri Vajadaya. Lakana is difficult to penetrate. That is one reason. Lakana Dobri Vajadaya. It's hard to contemplate its characteristics. Two reasons. Because of these two reasons, Sukkuma Rupa is called here Dure. Sukkuma Rupa is called Dure because it is hard to penetrate, it is hard to understand, to penetrate it, penetrate its characteristics. Then Sukha Prakatena, Lakana, Subdi Vajadaya, Olarika Rupa Sadike. For Olarika Rupa gross matter, it is called near because of ease, a penetrating, a characteristic. It is sense of being easy. So it's easy to penetrate its characteristic. That's why Olarika Rupa is called Sadike. So Olarika Sadika. So simple here. Dura, far, not as to location. Dura, far, because of difficulty of penetrating of its characteristic. Sadika Sukkuma Rupa, Olarika Rupa, the gross matter, is regarded as near matter because it's easy to penetrate its characteristic. That is the meaning. So we come to the second step here. Kaplikara ahara priyo sane ja neya tanna thanepi ida wajri rupa duredi na neyanita concludes. It should be concluded ida wajri rupa dure. It should be concluded there. But the Buddha does not conclude there. The Buddha continue. So the what? Yawapananyapi. Instead of concluded, instead of stopping there, the Buddha does not stop. He continues the word Yawapananyapi. But he should stop Kaplikaro Haro, Ita Wajadi Dure Rupa. He should stop there. But he does not stop. He continues, say Yawapananyapi Rupa. Why? Why Buddha does not include Ida Wajdi Rupa Dure? Why the Buddha continue to say Yawapananyapi here? Kasama. Duidabi Dure Nama Lakna Doja Okasa Doja. That's good here. Duida Dure Nama. Dura is so two kinds. As to characteristics. As to location. Yeah, Duidabi Dure Nama. Dura is of two kinds. As to characteristic, as to location. Very good. Tata Lakna do Dure di Naktida. In this case, you know, Ta Yawapananya Pi Rupa Yawapananya, referred to Etenderiya, Burisenderiya, all these 50 matters. All these, in this case, all these 50 matters are not to be said as Dura by means of its characteristics. It is regarded as Dura because of location. The above methods, those matters are called Dura because of the difficulty of penetrating its characteristic. But here, now it is regarded as Dura not because of its characteristic, because of location in this case. So when the Buddha referred the matter to be considered the Dura Rupa, he used the word Yayawapananyapi. Yayawapananyapi. Here the Sukkuma Rupa to be considered as Dura because of location. You got it? The Dasama Dureti Akita Olarika Rupa, Okasado Dureti Dasedon. So Dasama Dureti Akita Olarika Rupa, Okasado Dureti Dasedo, Aneya Titwa, not finishing, not concluding the Kaplikaro Aharo. Yaya Pananya Pi Adi Aha. Yaya Pananya Pi, etc. He said. This is what Dura. So there are two kinds of Dura. Dura as to location, Dura as to characteristic. The first method, Dura as to characteristics. The second method, Dura as to location. Different, you know. 8 o'clock already. So we need to stop here. Time is up.
Okay, thank you, Sarah.
Okay. Okay, let's conclude the lecture. Buddha Sasana Jira Detadu. Buddha Sasana Jira Detadu. Buddha Sasana Jira Detadu. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.
Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Yeah.
Sadhu,
Thank you so
sadhu.
much, Sarah.
Thank you very much, Sadhu.
Have a good time, all of you.
Yeah, take care, Sayadaw.
Okay, you all also take care.